Yo, what's good? Like, I found this Fortnite Funkin. Fortnite Funkin side engine thing is not the real Fortnite Funkin, but I just found one. And it's APK. But it's really bullshit. But it does give you all the editors. Yeah. That's what this is. Never freaking mind, bro. But, yeah. So, I couldn't make videos of this Sonic game because, like, I didn't know how to, like, I do know how to get installed, but I do not know how to get mods on it. But it's just really freaking hard. Like, it's almost not possible. Like, it's honestly just insanely hard, and I don't think I could ever do it. So, have to uninstall it. Yeah. But, yeah, it's just this mod right here is not really necessary, but it does. I just like seeing the old Fortnite Funkin', that's all. Yeah. So I think I should say goodbye to the ROMs that I installed for Sonic 3 Air. I'll make a video, maybe I'll make a video on it on my second channel, or maybe I'll actually make like a video today on my phone by recording on my computer, because I don't know how to make a video on the computer. So yeah. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and hopefully bye.